We at Rimwood Farms, we're along the Atlantic Ocean, Chesapeake Bay area, Mid-Atlantic, so water quality is a big issue for us. Residue management is equally important to us because we're in this never-till, no-till conservation tillage practice programs, and so all our equipment, harvesting equipment, we just pay attention to how we're spreading the residue, whether we're harvesting small grain, soybeans, and corn. We want to make sure we get our residue evenly spread, and then we want to make sure it stays intact, because once that residue starts to break down, it's releasing nutrients back in the soil, and then it's also minimizing or stopping erosion. We at Rimwood Farms in the past, we've just been running conventional John Deere corn heads, and they were doing a great job from the standpoint of harvesting, but we noticed that we were running into some residue management problems. So we took one row on the side of the corn head and we put the chain roll. And what we noticed was kind of exciting. We saw not just the corn being broken up into sections and then crumbled a little bit to enhance the decomposition, but we noticed that the residue wasn't just piled on top of the corn row, it was spread amongst the bulk. So this is kind of ideal what we were looking for without going to the elaborate expenses and more horsepower of some of the other options. So we accomplished several things. We're covering our soil, we're allowing the residue to stay there because it's not in short sections to where it can wash off or blow off, and then also as the stalks start to decay, then it's releasing the nutrients back where they should be, as opposed to just a big pile at the other end of the field or just right there next to the row. Chain rolls for Rimwood Farms, we looked at it in 2016 just on one row. 2017 we put it on the entire head. 2018 it will still be on that corn head, and we see the chain rolls as an important part of what we're going to do is continuing to improve our residue management on our operation.